with the flu vaccine, can you have them both at the same time? Flu and COVID?
You need a 2-week gap
Oh,
between your flu vaccine and your COVID vaccine.
And I hear you have two
yes.
COVID injections.
Why is that?
Yeah.
So your first one, there's lots of vaccines you have two of. So you think of like when kiddies get vaccinated and stuff, they'll often have a couple. And it's all to do with how your immune system works. So when you have the first one, your immune system sees it, produces a response, and then the second one acts as a booster, just sort of to be sure. So when it comes back, your immune system sees it again, produces an even stronger response. And so after the first vaccine, you're about sort of in the ballpark of 80% protected, and that second one raises you up to about 95%.